They say trees are immortal. They're not programmed to die. It would be nice to kiss a tree. Choose one. Get closer, hug it tighter, feel its strength, power flowing up from its roots to the sky, and close your eyes. That's how you kiss a tree. Let's find a balance, each one playing their role. You're both on the same planet. But one is losing it. There are 3,000 billion trees. There would likely be double that without exterior intervention, us. We try to become immortal, and they weren't even programmed to die. So now that you're standing face to face, look at it. Are you playing your part? Subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more to talk about.